Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete hands-on review of Genora AI, a platform that is actively attempting to redefine how we interact with large language models. While the market is completely flooded with basic wrappers that simply redirect your prompts to a single backend, Genora steps up as a comprehensive ecosystem by providing two distinct workflows: an absolute powerhouse of a mobile application that aggregates the world's leading models, and a revolutionary web interface designed specifically for long-form, complex cognitive work. On the mobile and tablet side, Genora acts as an all-in-one productivity engine, allowing you to instantly hot swap between models like ChatGPT-5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, Claude 4.6 Sonnet, and DeepSeek. This lets you apply the exact mathematical, coding, or creative writing specialist needed for your specific task under a single subscription layer. The app also stacks up premium features like integrated web search with fully verified citations, deep document parsing, and dynamic speech-to-text execution. However, where Genora truly shines and separates itself from traditional chats is its web platform's persistent thinking spaces. If you are writing a massive research dissertation, outlining a novel, or crafting a 6-month corporate strategic plan, you know that standard AI chats suffer from memory decay and completely forget your complex context the moment you close the browser window. Genora directly solves this friction point by building dedicated, persistent rooms where your reasoning, previous dead ends, and core document elements remain frozen in time, allowing you to return days or weeks later to pick up exactly where your thoughts left off, without ever needing to repaste your data or re-explain your core objectives. The main bottleneck comes down to its pricing tiers, as the continuous background processing and model swapping require a premium commitment, and users on the free tier will find their thinking spaces highly restricted. Ultimately, if you are looking for an intelligent workspace that preserves your cognitive momentum over months of serious long-form work, while granting you immediate access to every top-tier model on Earth, Genora AI is an exceptional high-utility command center for your professional workflow. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.